So another cool trick you can do in PowerPoint is to use a looping video as your background. It will instantly make it look like a really real video. So what's a looping background? Well, it's an animated video background, so it can go on and on endlessly. Let me show you an example. So I go on Insert, Video on my PC, and I downloaded this video here, which is called Falling Stars. Okay? So when I start this video, it will keep going like this endlessly. It's a loop. I mean, you can set it to behave as a loop. So when it will restart, you will not actually see that it's restarting, okay? So when you go on Animations and Animation Pane, you can see here that you have first action is to start the video, and then another action is to pause the video. So you can create anything that you want in between, and these new objects here will appear and animate and move the way you animated them while the video in the background is playing. For example, like this. Right? Fade. Now let's see what happens. So there's a video, and then anytime I right click up, the object appears, and you can do whatever you want with it. It will keep on going as a loop. So this is an interesting way to create a dynamic video because you have that moving background. However, there are several limitations. The first limitation is that you cannot do transitions between slides, because if you do a transition, then the video will stop and will restart at the second slide. However, you can always edit it in the video editing software, but it will become really annoying. So better to do everything on one slide. And the other limitation is, where do you find these videos? Well, as usual, on the internet. So they're called either something like looping videos or video loop backgrounds. For example, if you go on YouTube and you type looping video, right, you have some of them here. So once again, you check the ones which are free or the ones which are paid, or you can also just take a very long video, right? This video here is 3 hours, so it doesn't matter if it's looping or not. Since your video will be shorter than this, you can take a background video like this and then make all your animation on top of it. Let's see what this is, for example. Yeah, see, this is pretty cool, actually. If you do something related to nature, you can make all your animations in PowerPoint on top of that video, and the flowers and everything else will be moving behind it nicely. So, of course, you always have to check whether this video is free or how you download it. And to practice, don't forget that you can use this thing called Clip Converter. Right, so you go on Clip Converter, you copy the link of the video here, and then continue, and that way you will be able to download any video from YouTube. But of course, only do it for practice, don't steal videos. And of course, I'm pretty sure there are also specialized websites which provide you these looping videos. Now let's take a look at another cool thing that you can do with videos in PowerPoint. So first of all, you can actually transform this video as you want, right? So you can rotate it, and you can also give it a 3D shape. For example, here, format video, 3D rotation, right? You can do it like this, and then you have your video here, right? Now let me show you another example. Let's take a phone icon from the Noun project, for example, this one. Right, now let me insert this icon. Okay. Let me take this video once again. Right. And let's crop it inside the video screen. Right. Let's group this. And let's send it to back. Okay, now this is cool. And now let's apply some 3D rotation to all of this. Like the phone is lying on the table. I'm not sure this is correct, but whatever, this is just to show you. So imagine you have this, right? And then go like this. Oops. I'm not sure I put the animation here. Oh wow. Okay, so basically it doesn't work if it's grouped, the video is grouped, so I just ungrouped everything. So now let's add this animation here, play, and now let's send it to back. Okay, so basically you can group it together to move it around so they stay proportional, both the phone and the video behind, and then you ungroup them and then you make the animation to play. Now let's see. Right, so something like this. Of course, this is very basic. I did it in a few seconds, but if you want to make it better, then you can have some sort of 3D phone, and this phone can be playing, showing something on the side of your PowerPoint. Of course, you have to move both of them together. And then you can be explaining something else on this side of the PowerPoint while there is a video playing on the other side. So this is pretty cool. And finally, last thing which concerns video is that PowerPoint integrated a function to create screencasts. So you can actually do screencasts thanks to PowerPoint. So just go here and you click on screen recording, and then you can select the area that you want to record, right? Select area, sorry, like this, and you say record. And now it will start recording, etc. So whatever you do is this. And then you can just go up here and click stop. Right, so now this video was generated inside PowerPoint. And now it will start recording, etc. So whatever you do is this. Right, so this is a basic screencasting solution, but it works. If you don't have a screencasting software, you can use this and it works very well. All right. Oh, and finally, while we're here, if you want to paste a screenshot of something on PowerPoint, well, it's very simple. You just go to what you want to make your screenshot of. So let's say it's a website, right? So you want to make a screenshot of this. So you press the button screenshot on your keyboard, right? And then you just paste it inside PowerPoint, like Ctrl V, and that's it. And here you have your screenshot.